Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. There's no standard breaks concept directly related to requests library in Python that would produce a 32.0 not supported URL scheme error. That error specifically points to an invalid URL scheme. The number 32 likely refers to an internal error code within the operating system or underlying network stack. This varies by OS. The 0 likely signifies a further subcode, but the interpretation is system dependent and not standardized. The error arises when you try to use requests, or any HTTP client, with a URL that doesn't start with a recognized scheme like http// or https//. Commonly, this happens due to typos, incorrect paths, or attempts to access resources using non-standard or unsupported protocols. Let's break down common causes and how to debug them. 1. Incorrect URL scheme ***. The most frequent reason for this error is a missing or incorrect URL scheme. Requests need to know how to connect to the resource. Example of incorrect URL ***. Correcting the URL ***. 2. File paths mistaken for URLs ***. If you're trying to access local files using requests, it won't work. Requests is designed for HTTP/HTTPS communication. Use Python's built-in file I/O functions for local files. Incorrect, using requests for local file. Correct, using file I/O. 3. Unusual or unsupported protocols ***. Some protocols might not be directly supported by requests or your system's network stack. Requests primarily supports HTTP and HTTPS. If you need to interact with other protocols, FTP, etc., you'll need different libraries. For example, for FTP you'd use the FTP library. 4. Network issues ***. Even with a valid URL, network problems can prevent requests from connecting. DNS resolution ** if the host name, example.com in the example, can't be resolved to an IP address, you'll get a connection error. *firewall/proxy firewalls or proxy servers might be blocking the connection. Network connectivity * ensure your machine is connected to the internet. 5. Handling exceptions ***. Always use try except blocks to gracefully handle potential errors when making requests. The requests library raises various exceptions which help in diagnosing the problem. Remember to replace https://www.example.com with the actual URL you're trying to access. The key is careful URL construction, appropriate error handling, and checking for underlying network problems. The 32.0 error is a low-level indication of a failed URL scheme interpretation. Addressing the URL itself is the primary solution.